Alright guys, I need help. I want to invest in a second lawnmower. I'm trying to figure out what should I get. I don't want nothing big. I probably stay with a 34. The one I have right now is this one, I think it is. Yeah, I have the same one as this one. So if you guys please drop a comment and tell me what it's a really good lawnmower to invest on a second lawnmower. It don't have to be nothing expensive. The most that I want to spend is $8,000. So you guys please drop the comment, like, subscribe, and tell me which one you guys prefer, what lawnmower you guys prefer using as a 34-inch